Hey there, DIY enthusiasts and construction pros. Are you tired of wimpy tools that just can't keep up with your demolition projects? Well, today's your lucky day. We're diving into the top 5 best demolition jackhammers to find out which one deserves a spot in your toolkit. From the lightweight contenders to the heavy hitters, we've got it all covered. So buckle up, because by the end of this video you'll know exactly which jackhammer is the perfect fit for you. Let's get started. Starting off at number 5, we have the Bosch 11335K. Now don't get me wrong, this jackhammer is no slouch. It's compact, portable, and packs a respectable punch with its 22 foot-pounds of impact energy. It's a great option if you're working on lighter demolition projects or need a tool that won't weigh you down. What sets the Bosch 11335K apart is its impressive power-to-weight ratio. At just 38 pounds, it's much easier to handle than some of the bigger guys on this list. Plus, with vibration control technology and a 360-degree articulating handle, it's designed to reduce strain on your hands and arms. And trust me, when you're working long hours, that's a game changer. But here's the catch. With only 22 foot-pounds of impact energy, it's not going to be your best bet for heavy-duty demolition tasks. If you're tackling reinforced concrete or really thick slabs, you might find yourself wishing for a bit more power. So who's this jackhammer for? If you're working on medium-sized projects or need something portable and easy to maneuver, the Bosch is a solid choice. It's like the scrappy underdog of the group, reliable but not the strongest. Coming in at number 4 is the Makita HM1307CB. This jackhammer ups the game with 25.7 foot-pounds of impact energy, giving it a noticeable boost in power over the Bosch. It's perfect if you're looking for a little extra muscle while still keeping things manageable. What I love about the Makita is its variable speed control. You can dial in the exact speed you need for your project, making it super versatile. Plus, it's got a soft start feature that makes the machine more precise and reduces wear on the motor over time. Combine that with its lightweight frame and constant speed control, and you've got a tool that's as easy to use as it is powerful. However, it's not all sunshine and rainbows. While the Makita does outperform the Bosch in raw power, it still falls short when compared to some of the heavy hitters later on in this list. And at a higher price point, you might feel like you're not getting the biggest bang for your buck. This jackhammer is ideal for contractors or homeowners who want a reliable mid-range tool that can handle both light and medium-duty jobs. It's not the most powerful, but it's versatile and dependable. And at number 3, we've got the Bosch BH2770VCD. Now we're stepping into heavy-duty territory. This beast delivers a whopping 43 foot-pounds of impact energy, making it perfect for breaking tough concrete, asphalt, and more. One of the standout features of this model is its active vibration control. If you've ever used a jackhammer for hours on end, you'll know just how brutal the vibrations can be. But with Bosch's technology, you'll feel way less fatigue even during longer jobs. It also comes with ergonomic handles and includes a premium hammer cart and chisels, which is a nice bonus for pros. The downside, it's heavy. At over 63 pounds, it's not the easiest tool to move around. And like the Makita, it comes with a steep price tag. But if you're serious about your demolition work, the performance might be worth every penny. This jackhammer is best suited for professionals who need a reliable, high-performance tool for large-scale jobs. If you're a contractor or working on major renovations, this one won't let you down. Taking the runner-up spot is the Makita HM1810X3, a true powerhouse built for serious demolition work. With an impressive 46.5 foot-pounds of impact energy, this jackhammer doesn't mess around. If you've got thick slabs of concrete, asphalt, or even foundations to break through, this tool will tackle it head-on. One of the standard features of the HM1810X3 is its anti-vibration technology. This reduces vibration significantly, which is critical when you're working with a tool this heavy. And speaking of heavy, it's worth mentioning this jackhammer weighs over 71 pounds. But Makita knows this, so they've included a premium hammer cart to make transportation easier. Add in a 16.4 foot power cord for extra reach, and you've got a tool that's ready to go wherever the job takes you. Of course, weight isn't the only drawback. This machine is loud, producing around 107 decibels, so you'll definitely need hearing protection. And while the AVT does a lot to improve comfort, the sheer weight of this tool can still be a challenge for smaller operators or long jobs. So who's this for? If you're a pro contractor or working on major demolition projects that demand serious power, the Makita 1810 is a fantastic choice. Just make sure you've got the muscle to handle it. And finally, coming in at the number 1 spot is the Metabo HPT H90SG. This jackhammer is the ultimate demolition tool, delivering an industry-leading 51.6 foot-pounds of impact energy. That's more power than any other jackhammer on this list, making it the undisputed king of demolition. What makes the H90SG stand out, aside from its raw power, is its user vibration protection technology, which significantly reduces vibration. This means you can work longer without feeling like your arms are about to fall off. It's also built with aluminium housing body construction, so you know it's made to last. Combine that with soft grip handles and you've got a tool that's as comfortable as it is powerful. Of course, at 70.5 pounds, it's a heavy tool. And like the Makita, it lacks some of the portability of lighter models. It also doesn't offer variable speed control, but honestly, when you've got this much power at your fingertips, you won't miss it much. This jackhammer is perfect for anyone working on the toughest jobs. Think heavy-duty demolition of reinforced concrete, industrial projects, and more. If you need the best of the best, the Metabo is your go-to. So there you have it, our picks for the top 5 demolition jackhammers ranked from weakest to strongest. Ready to get your hands on one? Check out the links in the description for the best deals, and while you're there, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to the channel for more tool reviews and tips. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.